Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole McGrath, and in this video I am going to show you guys 50 plus video ideas for YouTube. So guys, I know it's very hard on YouTube, especially for small content creators. Sometimes we run out of ideas. We don't know what video ideas to come up with. We don't know what videos to do. On today's video, you can go away with 50 video ideas. If you haven't tried these out as yet, please go ahead and do so, because these video ideas are actually trending topics. They are trending right now on YouTube. If you check out the home page, you will see videos in this type of titles. So these video ideas are very easy to try, and I'm sure you will like them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, what are you waiting for? Go on ahead, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can not miss out on any of my recent content. Now let's get into the video. So I've got my notepad here and I've written them all down for you guys, and I'm just going to go through the list, and I'm actually going to explain a bit more about the topic and the video ideas. Okay, so the first one I would say is trendy intro videos, trendy intro template videos. Some content creators might ask for credit, so you actually credit them in your description box, while others may not mind, but that's one way of gaining views on YouTube. So almost everyone has got a phone, yeah? I'm actually using my phone to record my video, so you can actually do a video on what's on my phone. If you got a Samsung phone, if you got Androids, or you got an iPhone, which is iOS, you can basically do a video, because people are very much interested to see what apps and what other stuff are on other phones apart from their own.
Phone, messages, FaceTime, and Safari. That's pretty much it.
The third one is how to customize your phone. So a lot of people like to have nice pretty screensavers, screen arts on their phone. They like to have the main apps that they go to all the time to be the first set of apps on their phone. It's just different ways. So people are very much interested in, when it comes on to technology, how to customize their phone. So that's another topic that is trending at the moment on YouTube. TikTok. You heard me correct. TikTok. TikTok is the brand new social media that almost everyone is on. TikTok mashup, right? You know, all them songs on TikTok, you can combine them together and get them in one video, and there you go. That's something that everyone wants to watch and everyone wants to listen to. Challenges. Okay, you got TikTok challenge, you got Facebook challenge, you got Instagram challenge. There's a lot of challenge going on. If you can do a video around the trending challenge, then there's a good chance that your video will show up on the top page on YouTube search engine. Prank videos. Don't we all like to prank our friends or family? Okay, why not capture it on camera, right? Prank videos gain a whole lot of views on YouTube, okay? Because people like to see others actually being surprised when they say it's a prank. It's that excitement that builds up to that moment when you can't believe that someone actually thought of such a good idea and that person did not see it coming. Okay, my favorite pranksters on YouTube is Life with King and Shay. They are Jamaicans and they are very good at pranking each other. how-to videos. So how to start a YouTube channel in 2020, 2021. You know, a lot of people have been thinking about starting YouTube, but they just haven't gotten around to it as yet. And with the new year approaching, this might just be the time for them to actually start a YouTube channel. So you could do a video about how to start a YouTube channel, what equipment you need to start your channel, what ideas you need to put together to make videos, what things are people actually looking for in starting a channel, what ideas, what advice they need in regards to starting a YouTube channel. It's all there so you can put it into a video. How to edit YouTube videos, right? So that's another how-to idea. I use KineMaster to edit my video. So editing videos are topics that's been searched for on the internet and also on YouTube, because once you've started a YouTube channel, you want to know how to edit a video correctly. Shopping haul. Talk about shopping. Who don't like a bit of shopping? Who don't like to look glamorous and all dressed up and looking nice? Okay, well, there's a lot of people who are looking for shopping videos, right? So you could be buying from your favorite website. I Saw It First. That is where this dress is from, okay? So I Saw It First. You've got Next, you've got Wish, you've got quite a lot of sites that you can buy from, you know, and you can actually do a shopping haul, come on camera, model what you've bought and show it, you know, show off that nice lovely figure you've got there. And that's a video idea right there. DIY videos are being searched for so much every day on the internet. How to do it yourself, DIY, right? How to make your own wig, how to put in your own hair extension, how to make your own design for fireplace, product review. Okay, so we buy things all the time. We go to the supermarket and we buy food, we buy stuff, we buy things online, we buy quite a lot of stuff. So why not do a product review? You can do a product review on a whole lot of different stuff that people are searching for. You know, you could do a product review on the latest iPhone, the latest Samsung phone, the latest camera, the latest studio lights, the latest tripod, the latest green screen. There is so much things you can do product review on. Makeup and skincare videos. A lot of people are searching for the right makeup and the right products for their skin. So if you have got a makeup that you've been using or you're planning to use, then get your camera out and do a video on that, because that's another good idea that people are searching for. Product tutorial. So for example, I have got Tubebuddy, right? I use Tubebuddy to help me with my SEOs, to help me with searching for the right title, the right topic, the right video to do. Then I could do a tutorial on Tubebuddy, which I have got. Tubebuddy will be in the info card, and that's a video about getting pro, only a one-off price, and you will have it free for a lifetime. So if you're interested in something like that, then by all means you can click on the info card after this video and watch that video, and the link is available in that video and how you can access Tubebuddy for free after paying just a one-off fee. You got cooking videos on here. Cooking videos are one of the most searched for videos on YouTube, okay? How to bake a cake, okay? How to cook spaghetti bolognese, how to cook cottage pie. All these type of videos are here on YouTube. And if you're very good at cooking, then get the camera out, do a video around cooking, have a look on Google Trends and see what videos people are searching for. Use Google Trends to help you to provide a good video title and a searchable video title that is within the topic that you're wishing to cover. So cooking videos and mukbangs are videos that a lot of people are watching and looking out for. ASMR, these videos are very much trending on YouTube. A lot of people are into ASMR videos, which everyone has got a different taste, but there are people who love ASMR. So if you are very good at making silent sounds and very creaky sounds and, you know, tingly feeling and all of that, ASMR is something that you could probably look into doing a video on. Comedy videos, okay? We all love a bit of laughter, good laughter, okay? So there's comedy videos, there is funny videos, there is animals, humans. Comedy videos are searched for as well on YouTube. It's a top trending topic and a top trending idea. Comedy videos are very much trending on YouTube, right? You can have bloopers, you can have comedy skits, you can have funny videos of your family, funny videos of your pets, just funny videos. Room makeover, you could do a makeover on your room, you could change the design of your room, you know, you could do a bathroom makeover, you could do a kitchen makeover. People like to see that because they can see what it was before and also the result of what it is after. Okay, cleaning videos. Cleaning, so people will watch you cleaning your living room, they'll watch you cleaning your bedroom, they'll watch you cleaning, you know, a client's house, they'll watch you cleaning outside. Cleaning videos are very much trending on YouTube. Also exercise videos, so anything to do with workout, anything to do with losing weight, anything to do with taking care of your body, building muscles and so on, are being searched for a lot on YouTube. Also, because of the current quarantine session that most of the world is going through at this moment, then a lot of people are focusing on their health and how they can have a very good balanced diet, and also how to exercise within a tight space. So when it comes on to sports and exercise, YouTube is the place to find a lot of videos on this subject. You can do videos, 50 facts about me, things that I like, what I enjoy doing, my hobbies, you know, 50 facts about me. You can introduce yourself to your audience, tell them things that you like, things that you don't like, you know, what do you do apart from when you're not doing YouTube videos and so on. People are very much interested in finding out about you, the content creator, and that is very good. So that's another video ideas that you can do as well. You can do movie reviews. You know, you might have watched Netflix and there's some very good movies over on Netflix. You could do a review on that and, you know, let people know about your favorite movies, and you could do a video entirely about your favorite movies so that others could probably think, you know what, I'm actually going to check out these movies because they sound very good and very enticing. Reaction videos are very popular on YouTube. Reaction videos have always been popular on YouTube. You can do reaction videos, right? You can react to your favorite favorite musician, you can react to comedy videos, you can react to a variety of things. You could react to your favorite YouTuber, you could react to hearing certain news, but reaction itself is a top trending topic on YouTube. You can do time-lapse videos, so you can do time-lapse. You can do time-lapse videos on any living creatures. You can do time-lapse videos on flowers. As they bloom, they come out so beautifully. Are very, very searchable videos on YouTube. I myself enjoy time-lapse. If you look at this video very closely, you can see a time-lapse of the world going around, and it looks so nice. And finish, you could do a time-lapse video about a project you started. You could do a time-lapse video on just about anything. Okay, so that's another good topic that you could do videos on. Transformation videos, you could do videos about transforming, you know, your living room space into a kitchen, you know, your dining room space into a living room. Just different transformation. People like to see transformation videos, so by all means you could do a transformation videos showing how you transform even your face. Okay, so people have been known to transform their face into something more exotic, right, by using makeup or other different types of art and craft things. So you could do transformation videos. People actually do watch transformation videos 24 hours transformation, you know, 36 hours transformation. These videos are very much being searched for on YouTube, and I've seen them in my recommended page where they have got a lot of transformation videos that people are actually watching. So guys, I hope you actually enjoy all 50 ideas that I gave within this video, and hopefully you will be able to use some, if not all, of these ideas on your channel. Please let me know how it goes. Leave me a comment in the comment box below, and I will catch you on the next video.